Hello, in this video we show you the location and how to replace the horn on Peugeot 307. The horn on this car is located on the left side of the car. It's located behind the front bumper. In order to get access to the horn, first we need to remove the wheel arch liner. You don't have to remove the whole wheel arch liner, you can just remove the front part of it, just put it to the side. But in my case I'm going to remove it completely to get better view for the camera. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the wheel arch liner is removed, we have access to the horn. This is the horn right there. The horn is held by two bolts, one there and one on top, and also an electrical connector which is on the back of the horn. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.